The last part of the factory, internally we call it the garage. These guys take care of everything that doesn't fit in an assembly line. They assemble all our big loaders, the electric loaders. We make some big ones. Sometimes it takes 2 overhead cranes to be able to lift them up and put them on a truck. And also at the back, we've got our more experienced mechanics that help us with our R&D. We have all our test bench. When we introduced the King Series rotator this year, they've been running for 2 years already on test bench, just turning back and forth to make sure that when we introduce them to the market, that they're ready for game time.
The best grapples need the best loaders, which is why we offer a complete product line, from the stationary loader to the truck or trailer mounted loader. To meet every need, our models range from small and light to heavy-duty mastodons. It's in the loader assembly department that these giants come to life. The assembly of a small loader, like an Elite 910 or 915 and a Horizon 930, begins with the assembly of the head, where the slewing ring and the gearbox are assembled. Next, the mechanic proceeds to the floor or cab assembly, depending on the option chosen. He then assembles the floor or the cabin on the head. He places the collector and the valves to connect the hydraulic hoses. The column is then prepared by installing the hydraulic hoses. The floor and head can then be assembled on the column. The seat, guard, and other options are installed at this stage. The boom and the stick are individually prepared to be assembled together on the loader. The mechanic then makes the hydraulic connections and final adjustments. The loader is then tested for leaks, proper hydraulic pressures, and overall operation. For larger loaders, such as the Optimax 950, Evolution 960 or 970, and Titan 980. The steps are essentially the same, except that the assembly begins with the power unit. And an electrician must install the electrical connections. Also, the larger models are tested for 10 hours before being disassembled for shipping. Each year, the St. Justine plant produces approximately 84 loaders. The finished products are then sent to the shipping department, where they're prepared according to the standards of the country where they'll be sent. Then, it's loaded onto the transport that's previously been coordinated by the Transport Billing Department. Each week, approximately 70 shipments are coordinated at the St. Justine plant.
Je dirais qu'il y a de nos chargeuses et de nos grappins dans 42 pays. Il n'y a pas juste le Canada, là, beaucoup en Europe. Beaucoup en Turquie, il y a beaucoup d'exportations. Rotobec ne fait pas seulement des produits forestiers, on touche beaucoup au recyclage, le vieux fer, la scrap, ou ensuite dans des fonderies. Ensuite, on fait beaucoup de chargeuses électriques qui vont dans des moulins, qui peuvent aller à l'intérieur, vu qu'il n'y a pas de gaz. Nos chargeuses vont un petit peu partout, puis un petit peu pour n'importe quelle utilité de manutention.